Hi and welcome back to the Brisbane Ranges. We got a Malibu Razor that we're putting a anti-flap kit on today, just to go through what's involved. That's a fairly straightforward job, but just for any of those that don't know. So keep tuned. Right. So when you get your anti-flap kit, you've got left and rights, and they don't come completely ready to go. You have to do a little bit of work to make them so you're ready. And you've got to work out, you have a spike on one end and a flat blade on the other. And when they go together, they should line up nice and neat. Just unscrew this a bit. I'll get this started. No one said life was going to be easy. Okay, so that's how a complete one should look. So obviously you're looking to make sure that these beads line up with each other and it's all the same way, so these opening pieces open the same way. So that's one. Let me show you how the other one. This is how they come. So initially they come with one screw in there and this piece inside. So what we need to do to start with, undo the screw, just pop that out, tip up your anti-flap, take this bar, put it back in the other way around so that these two holes line up. There we go, and then just nip it up tight. And then slide it together. So that one's ready to go. Okay, so the next stage is these brackets come with the awning kit, with the flap kit, and these brackets need to come up, and I generally mount them to this metal strip, which is the sail strip, which is already there. And what I'm looking for when I fit them is to get them as low as I can get them on that strip, but without being hanging off, and to have this slot to actually be in line with the edge of the vinyl. So I usually drop them down to be along the edge of the actual strip, and then I run a couple of pilot holes through them, which we'll do now. And the reason I use pilot holes, I do use self-drilling tech screws, but they will have a tendency to walk if you're not careful, and then you'll end up marking this. So easy to put a couple of little pilot holes in first. That way you get them exactly where you want them. Okay. Okay, so normally I'll get one hole, pilot hole in. And that's what I'm looking for. Edge of the vinyl lining up with the edge of the slot. And nice and square on there. Now we'll get the other one in. It would be very difficult to drill with the tech screws and get it square. When you're drilling with this, if your drill is not a chuckless drill, be careful that you don't catch the edge of this vinyl and tear it, because it has a tendency to hook up on the teeth on the edge. So better off using a chuckless drill, and just lift your vinyl as you go. In. And there we go, that's one end. So important thing with the drum is to get this groove here as close to 3 o'clock position as possible. Now this particular drum will either go a lot less or a lot more, so this is as close as we can get it. And you want to try and resist the need to drill through the groove. So of course this is okay. And what we're looking to do, just get my steps, is to drill a hole 20mm down and 20mm in. So we'll mark that first. And what we're looking for is from the edge of the vinyl, we want to be going 20mm down. And I use a Sharpie to do this. Just use this way, so edge down is 20. Just about there. And then you want to come 20mm in. So from the edge across, roughly, this is 20. So we'll just put across there, and I'm just going to measure to make sure, yeah, it's roughly 20 down. So it's not an exact science, it's close enough. That's all we need. Right, let's get a drill. There you go, pilot drilled. And there you go, there's your 8mm hole. Next thing is, just get a big, I've got a 10mm drill here. And what you're looking to do is just take the burr off around so it doesn't damage your vinyl when the vinyl folds up. And you can just rub with your fingers, you'll feel if you got rid of the burr. There you go, she's pretty good. And now we can just test the first anti-flap that we've done. And you work out which one it is by taking the end with the flat on it. This is the side we're looking for. And the reason I know it's that side is the way it opens. This goes against your caravan, and this clamps the vinyl. Good then. So the way we get them on, this bit here has to hook into the slot. And if you keep it slightly tilted as you put it in, and you bring it up, like so, then you undo this one, and then you bring this one forward. Okay, so once you've got it in at that end, bring it down, rotate slightly, straight in, And then all you're looking to do is clamp your vinyl. Do this one up and then continue along all the way, and there you go. Same the other end. What a lovely job.
Lovely doubly.
There we go. Let's just get this so you can see on the top what we're looking for. Okay, so what you're looking for along the top edge is the way this grips over the top all the way along. And it's nice and neat. There you go. It's the same both ends. If you've got the extra rafters, you can put them in. This one does have one as standard, as you can see up in there. There's a rafter. All we got to do is the same the other end. But what you can see is it makes it a lot tauter. Okay, well, we'll get this finished. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. See you later.